Right now, half of you are nodding in agreement, and the other half think I've lost my mind. To some people, cilantro tastes fresh, herbaceous, even delicious. To millions of others, it tastes like biting straight into a bar of soap. Same leaf, same plate. Two entirely different sensory experiences. So what exactly is happening in the brain to create that divide? Cilantro, or coriander, as it's known outside North America, is one of the most polarizing ingredients in the world. There are entire online communities devoted to disliking it. One group alone, I Hate Cilantro, has more than 30,000 members. But here's the twist. This isn't a matter of personal taste. It's genetics. Cilantro leaves contain aldehyde compounds, the very same chemicals found in soap and lotion. For most people, the brain simply filters these compounds out and disregards them. But for a specific segment of the population, a gene known as OR6A2 makes their smell receptors highly sensitive to those same aldehydes. As a result, when they smell cilantro, the brain doesn't interpret it as an herb. It registers it as soap. Researchers studying this phenomenon, including a large-scale genetic survey by 23andMe involving over 30,000 participants, found that the soap taste reaction is most pronounced among individuals of European and East Asian descent. By contrast, in regions where cilantro is a dietary staple, Latin America, South Asia, and the Middle East, this genetic variant appears far less frequently, which raises an intriguing question. Did cilantro-loving cultures gradually adapt around this gene, or did the gene simply become less prevalent in populations where cilantro was already essential to the cuisine? And here's the part many people find surprising. If you're someone who perceives cilantro as soapy, that reaction isn't necessarily permanent. Bruising, or finely chopping the leaves before eating, releases enzymes that break down those soap-like aldehydes, which is precisely why guacamole and salsa recipes call for finely chopped cilantro rather than whole leaves. Some individuals report that the soapy flavor diminishes entirely with repeated exposure, as the brain gradually recalibrates how it interprets the scent. So it isn't that certain people simply have poor taste. Their DNA is, quite literally, wired to perceive a different chemical reality than everyone else's. So soap or sensational? Share your take in the comments and tag someone who needs to see this before their next taco night. And if this just recalibrated the way you think about taste, consider subscribing. We explore topics like this.